Hello everybody, my name is Luca the Bear, and yeah, I be kinda dead for making content. You can see from the last TED review analysis game, which was I think a kind of Bamban. Oh wait, I remember the Sonic Dizzy one, which you should check down. It's long 1 hour. Holy shit! Anyways. I decided to review a different game again, which is not a Friday Night Funkin' Five Nights at Freddy's fun game, and you get the point. Which today we're gonna review Pizza Tower. Just let you know, this is my take a little bit about the review. There is a lot of review into the community. For example, I can show some of them right now, which you could check down if you want a long explanation or a shorter one. Anyways, this video will contain spoiler toward the boss, the characters, and everything. So I suggest you to play the game on Steam or crack it like I did because I don't have enough money and I don't have Steam. Yeah, I have Steam, but like complicated. Don't judge me. And just to let you know, people, all these videos are recorded by me. On a playlist, there is a playlist right now called Pizza Tower, which you can check it out if you wanna see my gameplay, which are like 10 videos about the entire game. I mean, I started before, but then I decided to make a series on YouTube. And now that we finish, we can say have a good day, and let's start with the video. Your name is Peppino Spaghetti. You are Italian, like me. Peppino is Italian, like me. And there is this antagonist called Pizza Face, which wanna destroy for some reason. It's pizzeria with a big laser. And Peppino go to kick his ass because, you know, he don't let this happen. And yeah. Let's talk a bit about Peppino before the game, shall we? Because this is one of the most interesting characters we ever see. Peppino Spaghetti is gay with Atom Blast, I think, which is confirmed by Atom Blast, the creators. And Peppino and the game is based on Wario Land. Peppino somebody exposes a reference, for example, Sonic the cartoon or other stuff. And you know, Peppino is capable to do the match speed, grab, kick, climb, and do this and other stuff. Peppino has PSD for the wall, because he's got to the wall before. He will not be able to play Team Fortress 2 because he will have too much stress. So yeah, just saying my, you know, my. You know. Anyways, let's start with the game. The game have a mechanic of type Super Mario, but unlike Super Mario, there is something different. Before we have a tutorial, the tutorial is something interesting. If you finish under a timer, you will lock for all levels lap 2, which is basically the thing. Then you can make a second lap on the level, which I'm gonna explain later on. Then after that you can choose the level of the first floor, which are, for example, John Grunt, Pizza Escape, and Bird Dungeon, and cheese something. And there is gonna be a boss. Just letting you know before, people, I wanna talk about the levels before and then the boss. So spoiler again, because you know, every level has its type of mechanic. For example, John Grunt is the first level, which introduces the player to the game and make him learn new mechanic. So it's not hard and not even too much easy. Then Pizza Escape show the first mechanic with which the game could have. For example, Pizza Escape could have the night form, which make you Peppino turn into a knight and do these powers. He need to go to a place to heal himself. Then it showed the key, which when Peppino get the key, he will be able to open a door which is locked, you know, just like any other games. Brooddown Dungeon instead will mostly based on the lava, which show Peppino burn his ass and he will stop the match. It's funny and sometimes can be even useful. Then yeah, this is some other example. Then you can grab, for example, to throw a bomb, and yeah, I mean, I don't know what to explain here. Is explaining already, but I'm gonna explain now their achievement. For example, you need to finish the level under a limited time for jump ground or destroy all the type. Our level have 3 eyes and Jerome, which you need to open a door to have a treasure, which I'm gonna explain right now. When you finish a level, you will get a rank between to D to P. To have D, you need to suck ass. Basically, the game will tell you if you were good or bad on the game. Let's start with how to get the perfect rank. Well, to have the perfect rank, you have to always keep the combo on, always find all 3 eyes, find Jerome, find all the toppings, which yeah, by the way, all levels have toppings, which you know, need to give you money for the boss gate by Mr. Stick. Anyways, you get my point. And yeah, not only that, you need to do rap too. In short, at the end of the level, there will be John, which you need to kill him to activate a timer. The timer will summon if and pizza face, which if it touch you, will kill you, and you have to restart the level from 0. But you can even run away from him, which is a interesting concept, since you know you can run away from him and not have a game over. But it's suggested to be more fast. Lap 2. Then from when you defeat, you need to come back to the start of the level. In short, you have to go to A to B and from B to A. But you can go to the lap 2 to make you go from A to B again, and you need to come back A again. In short, you have to retry, you know, you need to replay the escape path. Get it? Good. I won't explain it again. After that, you can join your P rank. For the floor 2, we are a different type. We have a Cemetery, which Peppino will fucking die and become a Phantom Freddy type. Just kidding. He will become a boop. Okay, shut up, Luca. Anyways, yeah. Peppino Ghost will be able to go through some things, but they won't be able to go into the door. Which, remind you, Peppino cannot go into the doors if it's transformed. For example, Peppino with the knight cannot go in the door. He need a Christ, just like before, he need a priest. And yeah. Then there is the level of water, which... oh wait, maybe it's the next floor. I confused with the floors. There are so many levels. Oh yeah, there is many levels. Have fun. Yep. Anyways, then we have hands-on with this chicken from one of the PlayStation 1 games, and yeah, I guess it's cool. I mean, cool. Yeah, this is stupid. Anyways, with the some mechanic, you are going to even a bar to do a race with the horse, or even in your and more achievement. For free contain more stuff, like be able to play with the friend of Peppino, which is Gustavo, and a mouse, which is Rick, I think the name of the mouse. And Rick and Gustavo will work as team. And yeah, cool. The 2 characters only have their levels for Gnome Forest and Pig City for the floor 4. And yeah, in the full feature there is the water level, which is a sea film level, which you know you will learn the barrel. With the barrel you can with the barrel you can yeah, that's it. This power kinda suck. Then yeah, other levels I forgot. Then there is oh shit, and with this you will become a cheese monster, the worst ability ever. It's slow, and the only thing they make you is just jump on the wall and kill mouse. Oh yeah, these powers can be used to kill the mouse which block the way. Bomb and powers can use this type, but not other things, you know. Now there is even a final floor after the fall, which is the final before the final boss, which there is a Five Nights at Freddy level, Don't Make a Sound, and Pizza Evil, which is a evil version of Pizza Escape, since even, you know, yeah. And then there is Wall is the most hard one, cause there is a timer, like a bomb. If it goes down, you lose instantly. There is not a pizza face. This is Wall. You already know this is gonna be fully hard to P rank, cause I say are gonna be easily to find, even Gustavo and the doll. You need to be fast. Also you have a shotgun, have fun shooting and go to Wall. And remember, Peppino have PSD from Wall, so imagine if you have to replay what you beat through. Like, remember Wall? Oh yeah, let me make you a level about that so you can be traumatized again. Anyways, to get the boss gate, you need to get toppings, which give you money, which Mr. Stick will open you a boss door, which will give you a key for the next floor. So let's start with the boss, and once again, spoiler. Pepperman is the easy for boss, cause it's the first one, of course. Pepperman has been sure to be the artist of the gang, which yeah, is very awesome, by the way. See Pepperman be Pepperman. And yeah, it was not very hard to P rank, cause you know, it was the first boss. P rank will use, boss will mostly use different attack when you attack them. Some of the time will change. When you defeat the first phase, they will do the same thing, but instead will make the difficulty go higher, including more things. Here an example. If you see that boss, the first part is easy, when you gonna have the second phase, it's gonna be more harder, cause more things will be attacking you other than Pepperman. When Pepperman's defeat, it's gonna be a ball with a small pepper, and you can fucking kill him. Or you can be a dumb fucker and come back in the ring. I don't know why. You need to bully Startwell to distract him. You need to, you know, jump on him. Yeah, cool boss. Cool boss. We have the Sheriff. The Sheriff will give you Peppino the gun. There is a difference with the gun. Unlike the wall one or the Don't Make a Sound, it's not a shoot gun, which work in a different way. The gun will be used for this boss and the final, which I will tackle later. And yeah, the Sheriff have a special ability. You cannot attack like you do with Pepperman or the others. You need to shoot him like a Sheriff. And he was fucking harder to P rank because, you know, he's always complicated with his ability. For example, the cow, the Sheriff, the sunlight. And in the end, will make you even do one of the prepare to shot, and then you need to be fast. It was easy to do that. I P rank. Then we have the noise. or we can say the enemies of Peppino. The noise is mostly based on, that pizzeria, the Toys or something like that. I forgot the name. And fun fact, the Vigilante, or I call him Cheese Sheriff is mostly based on some scratch the creator made for Boredom. So yeah, same goes for Mr. Stick, but Mr. Stick was going to be a boss. Anyways, let's keep going, shall we? We have some more examples, which are, the noise is very complicated, cause it's annoying, and this noise I have more than one how to be like. The noise will always make complicated things like throw bombs, make a fake bomb, throw these guys, throw his skateboard like a fucking bitch. I fucking hate the noise, I wanna fucking kill him. They fake kill. Okay, I shut up. Okay, this joke was not funny even on the Sonic DC video, shut up. Anyways, the fake Peppino is Peppino, but fake. Just like we have Sonic but fake, Mario but Wario. We need a Peppino faker, and we have fake Peppino. For the Wario, I think we have the noise, fucking the noise. Fake Peppino will always be a complicated thing. You need to attack 2 times to have one of the BBB boing moments. Which, yeah. During the fight, he will multiply it into fakes, which are darker colors. Oh yeah, if you have the black colors, have fun try to guess who is the villain one or not. It's gonna be fucking hard for you. Always remember that in the first phase, when you kick one with the art, he will do a special attack. And in the second phase, some fake Peppino will assist the Peppino and won't do the thing I said before. When you defeat him, you need to run away cause he will chase you and you need to leave. I love fake Peppino, is my boy. And unlike the others, fake Peppino don't have a death icon like Pepperman, the Sheriff, the Noise have a death icon for P rank. But Peppino fake instead is just black, which make me scare a bit, cause they show like skeleton that's free, but this one don't have nothing. Ooh, scary, ooh. Pizza face. Pizza face is very easy. You need to take one of the enemies that used to attack you, to throw him back and then attack him. Just let you know, most of the enemies he used are the most difficulty. For example, Fork Knight with the fork, Pizza Head from the whole shit level, and more complicated enemies. Some of them are easy, like Cheese Line or John. After defeat... Wait, what the is that? Pizza Head! Yeah, for all this time, Pizza Face was just a animatronic Fun Night at Freddy's. The different was a thing I just... Okay, shut up. Pizza Face will give you a gun for the chef level and you need to shoot him. And he's gonna be annoying. He throw out, then use TV screen, use it for the main game, and during a half game, the pizza face will come out to put some mechanic things of, his face. And then, Pizza Face will wake up and will summon his friends, Pepperman, the Vigilante, the Noise, and fake Peppino. Peppino will break, and this is just the beginning of the finals. It's time to end all this one by one, and nothing will left behind. This adventure has been made to reach the finals, only to save his pizzeria, to make sure he's be able to go to his life and be able to be happy. And now he's be able to finish what he started. This is the end of this pizza tower. Oh yeah, I won, fuck yeah, I won, oh yeah. We need to destroy the last tower, the last John Grunt. And now we can go to the clubbing tower of pizza. Da da da. It's time to come back to the first floor to the final one. In short, you need to come back to the beginning of the level to finish once for all. The tower will collapse in 5 minutes. You need to save all your friends and enemies. There is no reason to fight anymore. It's time to run. And because this tower of pizza is gonna be a cheese made chicken. Well, look like we reach a end for the game. After all, what is more than this? Oh yeah, there are some pizza away mod, but like I don't wanna review because they are not interesting. There is like lap 3, lap 4, lap E, this, which smash, just kidding, and yeah, very cool mod. I hope people like the mod. I mean the game, good game, shit, fuck, good game. I think many people are gonna interested to see this game. The enemies, the way they react, and how the story has be able to have its ending. Maybe Peppino has finally had his end and can rest after the end of that tower that gave it the fears of his pizzeria. With his some friends, he will be able to rest. Or maybe it's just the beginning. Okay.
Not bad.
Oh, thanks for watching. Make sure to put up. I say you can. You need to remain. Okay, I want you. Peppino, attack.